y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I want to show you a really easy and quick side that's very delicious. It's called party potatoes. The great thing about this recipe is it's very quick to mix up, and you can actually kind of cheat a little bit, and you can use instant mashed potatoes in this recipe, or if you're really feeling like you want to cook some more, you can make homemade mashed potatoes. Well, let me show you what's in it, and then we'll go from there and mix it up. First off, you're gonna have 4 cups of instant mashed potatoes. You're gonna have an 8-ounce sour cream. You're gonna have 1/8 ounce cream cheese softened. You're gonna do 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of butter melted, and then 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. So next I'm gonna show you how we mix this all up. All right, everyone, we're gonna go ahead and mix up our ingredients for these potatoes. I went ahead and did my instant mashed potatoes. We're gonna go ahead and put them in the bowl. Like I said, this is kind of a cheat way to do it, but you know, when you have a busy day at work and you just wanna get something in the oven for your family, this is a good way to do it. All right, and then we're gonna mix in the sour cream. We have 8 ounces. This is going to be a really good and creamy potato recipe. It's going to cook up nicely in the oven. And you're going to want to head and preheat your oven to 350 degrees while you're getting this mixed. All right, let's see. And then we're going to put in our garlic powder. And then we've got our chives. And then we're going to put our cream cheese in. This actually makes a good bit of potatoes, as you can see. So it'll feed a large crowd. Or if you have big eaters, then maybe not such a big crowd. But I'm going to finish mixing this. And then I'm going to show you what we do to put it in the casserole and get it ready to go in the oven. So we'll be back in just a second. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put in our mixture into a 2-quart sprayed casserole dish. And then we're gonna top it with our breadcrumbs and butter. This is looking delicious. All right, y'all, as you can see, I've got our potatoes and all of our ingredients mixed up, and I've transferred into a 2-quart sprayed casserole dish. And now we're gonna put our topping, which is the 1/4 a cup of breadcrumbs. And you just wanna sprinkle them over the top. And then we're gonna put our melted butter over that. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in our oven and let it cook. All right, let's get the butter on. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. We'll be back to show you that in just a minute. All right, everyone, as you can see, I've taken our potatoes out of the oven. We had them in there at 350 degrees for 50 minutes. And as you can tell, they're nice and brown. And the last thing is you're gonna add 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese on the top so it melts. And then you're gonna serve it and you're gonna enjoy. I hope that you'll follow my channel for other delicious recipes and let me know how you like this and how your family likes it. And I hope that y'all have a great evening, and thank you so much for watching.